Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today this Monegasque, it's edible glitter. So it's a rose gold color, edible glitter. It's made of edible elements, so you can put this directly on buttercream or in drinks. And with the drinks, you would have to have some kind of like, whipped cream or foam or something on top and just really saturate it with the glitter because this is not plastic and you can eat it. And the more that you use, the better shine you're going to get. So this is just sprinkling it directly onto the cupcake. The company did send this to me to test out, so that's my disclosure for that. And I have never used this glitter before. It's not the plastic though, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something that's actually edible, and this does fit that bill. And it does come in this little container that has a shaker top, and you can turn this to seal it up so it's not going to spill all over the place. And when you're making edible paint with an edible with a reflective dust that's edible, you want to make sure that it's thick enough. So if you're using this and it seems thin, just add some more of the dust because the dust itself is just kind of suspended in the liquid that you're using, and you want it to be thick enough that it doesn't that the reflective particles are close enough together that it does give you a good shine. Now this is a buttercream cupcake, and you can paint directly on the buttercream. Like I said, since this is edible, you can paint directly on the buttercream. And this does give you a pretty good shine. This video is not doing it justice. You really need to be in a place where you can see the light reflecting. And that is one thing with, using the luster dust and edible glitters on food, is that people will pick it up and move it around to see it shiny. So sometimes when you see a picture of it just sitting there, it doesn't give you the full effect. But see how this gives you a really nice kind of rose gold look. It's very pretty, and it's a nice touch on cupcakes and cake. And I'm going to show you here what it looks like on an icing sheet. So you can use this on icing sheets. If you have this instead of luster dust, it's very similar, and it will give you, if you have it as a paint, it will give you a shine on the icing sheets as well as on fondant or buttercream or whatever you want to do. So it's definitely something to check out. They have it in a lot of different colors, but I like this because it has the shaker and you can apply it directly to the cupcakes and the cakes.